Welcome to your 10-minute morning yoga flow. And with your next inhale, gently lift yourself up into tabletop pose, coming on the hands and knees. Moving through our cat-cows. As you inhale, drop the belly, lift your gaze. As you exhale, tuck the tailbone under, round through the spine, bring your chin to your chest. Inhale, belly drops, heart lifts. And exhale, round through the spine. Keep moving here, flowing with your own breath. Feeling the sensations in your body. And then come back to a neutral spine. Moving into thread the needle, right hand will come to the center of the mat. Inhale the left arm up towards the sky. As you exhale, thread the left arm underneath your right arm. Bring your left shoulder, left cheek down to the ground. Extend your right arm straight towards the front of the mat. Breathe into the left shoulder. Hips lifted high. Take 2 more deep, full breaths here. Place your right palm down beside you. Inhale, reach the left arm up high. And exhale, place your left hand down to the center of the mat. Inhale the right arm up. And exhale, thread it underneath the left arm, coming down on the right shoulder, right cheek. Reach your left arm forward and breathe into the stretch. Place your left hand down beside you. Inhale the right arm high. And exhale, release your right hand down. Come into downward facing dog, tuck the toes under, lift the hips and straighten the legs. Relax the head in between the arms. And then begin to pedal out through the feet. Bend one knee at a time. Feel your entire spine elongating. Feel the stretch in the hamstrings, the calves. Press both heels down towards the ground. Take one breath here and bend your knees. Bring hands to opposite elbows and let your upper body hang heavy. Completely relax the head, sway from side to side. Take 2 more breaths. Place your hands to your shins. Inhale to halfway lift. Exhale, plant your hands down, step your left foot back. Come into a grounded low lunge. Keep your hands on the ground. Untuck the back toes and press your hips down towards the floor. 1 more breath here. Root down through the right foot, and then inhale to reach the arms up high, shoulders stacked over hips. Open the heart. And exhale, release your hands down, frame your right foot, tuck your back toes under, lift your back knee, and step to the top of the mat, forward fold. Place your hands to your shins, inhale, halfway lift, flat back. Plant your hands, step your right foot back, drop your back knee down. Keep your fingertips on the floor. Gaze out ahead of you and take 1 deep breath here. Root down through the left foot. Use your core to lift yourself up into a low lunge, fingertips reaching for the sky. Big breath in. As you exhale, release your hands down. Tuck your back toes under, lift your back knee, and step back into downward facing dog. Take a breath here. Come into child's pose, release your knees to the ground and send your hips back towards your heels. With your next inhale, lift yourself up, come into a seat. Lift your arms up towards the sky, and as you exhale, take a gentle twist to the right, gazing over your right shoulder. Inhale, come back through center, reach the arms up high. Exhale, twist to the left. Inhale back through center, extend the arms up. Exhale, plant your hands out in front of you. Lift your hips, cross your ankles, and come into a cross-legged seat. Plant your hands on your knees and begin to roll the head around, releasing any tension in the neck. Shoulder is relaxed and spine is tall. Switch directions of your circles. And then bring your head back to center. Close your eyes. Take a big breath in through the nose and a slow exhale out the mouth. Notice how you feel. Take a moment to thank yourself for showing up on your mat today and for taking care of your body and your mind. With your next inhale, reach your arms up overhead, palms touch. Exhale the hands down to heart center, finding a slight bow of the head. Namaste. Thank you so much for joining me on the mat today for this practice. I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day, and I'll see you in the next class soon.